Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 Nissan Rogue SV. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, a backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. We do have mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front, heated door mirrors with turn light indicator mirrors as well, and moving to the front, got that nice block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Nissan grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get plenty of cargo space. You can lift up here as well, and up front, and you do get your storage underneath with the spare tire. That fell down. You got little hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You can collapse a row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in back, a carpeted interior with carpet floor mats. You got rear vents, and you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space like we saw in the back there, and you do get plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights, you got your traction, sport, eco mode, gas cap, and hood opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 129,774 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You got your cruise control, as well as your voice, phone, all that jazz. The Nissan logo. Play back, play forward with your modes, volume, and your toggle-free screen, which you can then go through. Your tire pressure, all that jazz. Let me just go back. Driving assist, clock, meter, digital speedometer, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select, cup holders, heated front seats, storage. Got storage below with a 12-volt. More storage ahead of the gear shift, USB use and an aux, and a 12-volt. You got your climate controls right there with storage below. Your infotainment system, which you do get Sirius XM capabilities, AM, FM. You got your media controls here, dispense, which for your CD, obviously, you have your hazards, max AC, tune, iPod menu, which you can go through here, if it wanted to load, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7891, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.